In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select targeted clips wherever your playhead is located. This is a really useful keyboard shortcut to know. So select the timeline. You can tell it's selected by the blue bounding box. This is your playhead here that you're going to use to scrub through your footage. Wherever you stop, to select the footage under it that is targeted, and you can tell it's targeted by this little blue box right here. So these two are targeted V1 and a 1. If I tap on the letter D, it is going to select those clips. If you want to target more tracks, just simply click on the little box here. You got V2, a 2, tap on the letter D, and now it's going to select all those. So drag the playhead to wherever you want to select. Make sure the tracks are targeted that you want everything to go. Tap on the letter D, and they'll select everything under the playhead.